I'm Lauren of All Trades, and today I'm at the Weehawken, New Jersey Residence Inn. Today we are at the Residence Inn in Weehawken, New Jersey. We came in yesterday, stayed overnight. We're going on a cruise tomorrow, and we picked this hotel because it's right across the street from the Weehawken Ferry, which is right across the street from the Manhattan Cruise Terminal.
Going up. take the stairs up one floor also. Just scan in here.
No.
Cool. That sign before we.
Yeah, like down and back up. Okay. So that was the Residence Inn in Weehawken, New Jersey. Like all Residence Inns, there is a free breakfast for everyone. There is also a decent fitness center here, and there's another hotel which connects to this one at the lobby level, the OnView Hotel, that has a rooftop bar and restaurant. So you can just walk over there and get some really cool views of the city. So that's kind of a little like hidden bonus of being at this hotel, although technically that's public to everyone. We mostly liked this hotel. We loved our room as far as its layout. It's brand new, but for some reason they didn't put blackout curtains on the windows. I did ask the front desk. It's not that our room's missing them and the others have them, which arguably might have been worse. But yeah, they just didn't put blackout curtains to cover the windows. And as someone who needs my room to be very dark to fall asleep at night and then also to stay asleep in the morning when the sun starts coming up, that was a big miss for me. So yeah, I don't know if I would pick this one in the future. I guess it would depend on the price. The breakfast was pretty good and we are otherwise happy with this hotel. The parking situation is that there are 2 public lots, one directly in the garage of this hotel, in the basement of this hotel. It's a parking garage. It's in the basement of the hotel, and then there's one just a short block away, and the closer one is $22 a night, and the other one is $20 a day. It's just kind of annoying to have to carry your bags. There's an elevator that goes directly from the parking garage into the lobby of the hotel, which is pretty convenient, pretty nice. That's it for me and the Weehawken Residence Inn. I have to go real slow because my feet really hurt. These shoes were surprisingly uncomfortable.
This is an excellent song that I composed for you. You're welcome,
You're welcome.
YouTube viewers. Please like and subscribe.
And if you don't like it, click the dislike button twice and leave a comment and let me know about it. No reason. Why would you do that?
Because the X's have to go first.
Oh my god.
Wow, why?
I didn't mean for it to fall.